How to become a millionaire with real estate investing. Stay tuned and I'll tell you more. Hi, I'm Ramsey with the Ramsey Group. Over the years, people have started investing in real estate in various ways. Some people have rented out part of their homes, lived with their families a little longer, and worked extra hours to save up enough money to start investing. However you make it work, know that the initial effort is worth it. There are 1,000 different ways you can save money. You just need to get started. Once you decide to invest, there are 3 main ways you can take your investment. Number 1, buy and hold. This is the most traditional method. Over time, appreciation will mean that your property goes up in value. You can save up this equity. All you have to do is wait for it to grow. Flipping. This method requires more work, but you can buy or fixer-upper property that has high return potential. Then take the time to fix it up. Once it's in better condition, you can sell it for much more than what you bought it for. You just have to know how to do the renovations and ensure your profits. Short or long-term rentals. You can buy a property and have a tenant in it for a year or more, or focus on short-term rentals like on sites like Airbnb and VRBO. These are mainly for vacation rentals and are best in tourist destinations. You'll just need to know the laws of the area and put the work in to be the landlord. If you're interested in starting your real estate investing journey or learning about more ways including novations, wholesaling, etc., you know the drill. Comment, share, like, DM, call, text. We're here and we're happy to help.